We're late, come on, let's go.
Kia ora, I'm Rameka and I am a runner here at Taupo EnviroWaste. Every day we are out and about picking up your curbside recycling.
Kia ora, I'm Hoita from EnviroWaste Taupō. I'm one of the runners, and here's a look at a regular day for us.
As you can see, smashing it all out.
Summer's one of our busiest times here, and it'll just be much appreciated if you could sort out your recycling bins, glass and cardboard.
Plastic and alley in the green bin, glass in the black bin, and cardboard to the side, flattened.
Pick that up. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. Incorrect bin, glass in there. Having a swap there at all. Another glass bottle.
It gets annoying because we can't actually see like that. Right. Contaminated. This is basically just the same stuff as this, like Glad wrap. These contaminated by food. This contaminated by the drink. The food. Soy sauce. Food. These are the things that we can't take. But really all I do, whenever I feel tired or angry, I just start singing. Oh, there once was a ship that put to sea, and the name of the ship was the Billy of Tea. Going like this. Heard by the sound below, my bully boys blow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. So that's a look at what our day looks like.
Get it sorted out, please. Make our life a lot easier.
Cheers.